AI is everywhere right now. In your phone, your social media feeds, even in tools like ChatGPT. But the moment you try to actually learn about it, everything suddenly becomes scary math equations and confusing buzzwords. Hey everyone, I'm Dev Thakkar. I'm a developer who is on a mission to learn AI from scratch. And I want to take you along on this journey. Welcome to Dave Learns AI, where I break down artificial intelligence into simple, digestible concepts that anyone can understand. No PhD required, no intimidating math, just clear explanation and hands-on projects that will actually teach you how AI works. This video is a simple guide I wish I had when I started. In the next few minutes, you will understand what AI really is, what people mean by machine learning, deep learning, and where tools like ChatGPT actually fit in all of these. So let's start with the basic. When people say artificial intelligence, they are talking about any system that can make smart decisions or predictions on its own once it's set up. And here's the thing, it's not magic, it's not consciousness, it's actually patterns, data, and algorithms working together. AI is about building systems that can do tasks we usually associate with human intelligence. That could be recognizing images, understanding languages, making recommendations, or making decisions. Think about it this way. When Netflix recommends a movie you end up loving, that's AI. When your phone unlocks just by looking at your face, that's AI. When Gmail automatically filters out spam emails before you even see them, that's AI too. These systems are intelligent because they are doing something that seems smart, but they are really just following patterns they have learned from tons of data. Let me give you some concrete examples you interact with every single day. YouTube and Netflix recommendation. When YouTube suggests the next video that you almost always click, that's an AI model predicting what you will enjoy based on your watched history and what people with similar tastes watched. Face unlock on your phone. That's computer vision, a type of AI that works with images. It learned how and can recognize it even in different lighting conditions. Spam filters. Your email automatically sorting spam into separate folders is another AI model that learned what spam usually looks like from millions of labeled emails. Voice assistant. When you talk to Siri or Alexa, that's AI understanding your speech processing what you said and generating a response. Shopping recommendation. When Amazon suggests products you might like, that's AI analyzing your purchase history and browsing patterns. All of these are examples of AI in action, but here's where it gets interesting. Where do machine learning and deep learning come into the picture? Okay, so this is the part that confuses everyone. So I'm going to make it really simple. Think of this nested circle. AI is the biggest circle, the umbrella term for everything. Machine learning is inside AI, and deep learning is inside machine learning. Now, let me break down each one. AI or artificial intelligence is the broad field. It is any technique that makes machines act intelligently. This includes everything from simple rule-based systems to most advanced neural networks. For example, an old school chess program that has hard-coded strategies and if else rules is technically AI. It's making intelligent moves, but a human programmed every rule manually. Machine learning is a subset of AI, and here's what makes it different. Instead of hand coding all the rules, you feed the system data and it learns the rules itself. Think of a spam filter. You don't sit there and write rules like if the email contains the word like free money, it's spam. Instead, you show the machine learning model thousands of emails, some spam, some not spam, and it figures out the patterns on its own. The system learns what spam looks like by finding patterns in the data. That's machine learning. Now, deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and it's the most powerful one right now. It uses artificial neural networks, which are loosely inspired by how our brain works, with many layers of processing. Deep learning is especially good at understanding images, sound, language because these neural networks can learn really complex patterns from massive amounts of data. Face recognition, that's deep learning. Speech to text, that's deep learning. Modern language models, that's deep learning too. All right. So now that you understand the hierarchy, where do tools like ChatGPT and image generators fit? ChatGPT and similar tools are deep learning models called large language models or LLMs. They are deep neural networks trained on absolutely massive amounts of text from the internet. These models learn to predict the next word in a sentence. And when you do that at a huge scale with billions of parameters, something amazing happens. The model can generate, they can create brand new images that matches whatever text prompt you give to them. So when you're using ChatGPT or generating AI art, you're interacting with deep learning part of the AI world, the most advanced and powerful part right now. So to recap, AI is the umbrella. Machine learning is learning from the data instead of hard-coded rules. Deep learning is using neural networks to learn really complex patterns. So here's what we are going to do on this channel. The goal is to start from zero and move through these layers step by step. We'll start with simple explanation videos like this one. Then we'll start coding basic machine learning models in Python, things like simple classifiers and recommendation systems that you can actually build and understand. After that, we'll move into deep learning, building small neural networks, playing with image models, and eventually understanding how tools like ChatGPT are built at high level. If you want to learn AI with me from absolute basics all the way to building real projects, hit that subscribe button. And in the next video, we're going to build a tiny beginner-friendly AI project together so you can see these ideas in action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.